If the Aam Aadmi Party levels an allegation against a political adversary, it deems the charge to be the gospel truth. But even when there is a court indictment, the Aam Aadmi Party says that that judgment was erroneous. Is Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party guilty of selective morality? Joining us on the center stage, hot seat tonight, Somnath Bharti, the Law Minister of Delhi. Thank you very much, Mr. Bharti, for joining us. I want to begin by reading out from the order passed by CBI Special Judge Poonam Bamba in August last year. This is a very stringent indictment against you. The judge says the conduct of accused Pawan Kumar and his advocate Somnath Bharti is not only highly objectionable, unethical, but also amounts to tampering with evidence. The opposition is asking tonight, Mr. Bharti, why does such a man indicted by the courts deserve still to be Delhi's law minister?
See, let's put our facts correct first. This is a case which was of August 2012-13, and it has got nothing to do with my tenure as law minister, one. Number two, when this case is a classic. In fact, that time I was after media to cover this case. I am doing this case pro bono, and it's a classic case wherein fraud to the tune of 116 crore has been massively protected by CBI for the vested interest of the bank officials and probably CBI officials also. So that was the time when this case was taken up by me to save the junior most officer in the rank of the bank, pro bono. One, there is not an iota of proof against this person in this case at all. And the honorable courts, the predecessor of this court of Poonam Bambaji had clearly observed on 5th of July 2012 order that why the CBI has not charge sheeted or arrested the other four individual senior officers of the bank while they had arrested
Mr. Somnath Bharti,
Pawan Kumar,
this may not be the right opportunity to get into the merits of the case. My humble submission to you is this, that this is a matter that's been heard by the High Court, it's been rejected also by the Supreme Court. Haven't you made these arguments already in court? Haven't the courts already ruled on it?
That's absolutely incorrect.
Please go on.
That is absolutely incorrect. Let me tell you once, because unless you understand the background of the case, you will not understand the whole scenario. What was it? Prior to the supposed conversation, this sort of statement of Honorable of Learned Court is because of we wanted to bring out audio conversation which was held between the witness, who is also suspended officer by the bank, who became witness and not an accused by the CBI for reasons worth a judicial probe, and the Pawan Kumar, who were senior and junior in the bank, and they worked together for long, and me. Because this conversation which was held between these three individuals was in the backdrop of this person, B.S. Divakar, not turning up in the court on 5 occasions. On each date, he is not turning up at the right time. Later on he turns up. Available warrant which was issued gets cancelled. Again he comes up late. Available warrant gets issued and gets cancelled. So this was happening. This gave me suspicion, deep suspicion, what is going on. Then this man wanted to speak, and he's the one who wanted to speak. Then in the conversation I asked him, what is happening? Why are you not turning up? He says, sir, it is CBI who has exonerated me from all the 3 cases because the bank never wanted me to investigate this case further. So you have to appreciate that fact. And this was the audio CD, which was a golden opportunity for the Honorable Court and the prosecution to look at and investigate the case further to book the real culprits. The court did not allow, and it is us who wanted to bring this audio CD on record of the court. The court did not allow that application to bring that audio CD on record.
But Mr. Bharti,
would rather
you've taken this matter to the High Court after what the CBI special judge ruled. You took this matter to the High Court. The High Court threw out your petition. You went to the Supreme Court where you had to take it back. Prashant Bhushan argued for you. You had to withdraw your plea. This matter has been heard by the court.
I'm just giving fact. Hold on. So when this happened, on the same day he was arrested, because the learned court of Ms. Poonam Bambaji, he had decided both the applications of our application through which we wanted to bring this audio tape on record which is explosive in nature, which had such content, which if at all followed by CBI would have brought the actual culprits on record. But it was neglected, and this other application of the CBI to cancel the bail, so that they wanted to pressurize us not to press on that audio CD. Same day he was arrested. Because Pawan Kumar was left out by a housewife and a 4-month-old child. So I had to move right away to the High Court to get him out on bail. But unfortunately, High Court also opined that the learned court, the trial court, was okay in its opinion. But the Honorable High Court said that all right, let the witness statement be over and then you move application for bail. By the time we went to Supreme Court to challenge, because I am still absolutely dissenting and I am of belief that if this matter had got Honorable Supreme Court's attention, it would have brought an excellent judgment.
So, but it didn't happen. Your client withdrew the plea.
I was stuck
before
up.
The Supreme Court, your client withdrew the plea.
Telling you.
The CBI special judge said your actions were highly objectionable, unethical, and amounted to tampering with evidence.
Because I was in a dilemma that had I insisted for my deeper satisfaction to have this matter been dealt judiciously by a court of law, the poor Pawan had to suffer in the jail for another 1 month or 2 months, okay, till the time Supreme Court would have decided this matter. So I was caught up in the two, that if I insist the matter to be decided by Supreme Court, then Pawan has to suffer in the jail. But if I move an application for bail in the lower court as directed by the Honorable High Court, then he would be out on bail. I opted for the second, because I couldn't see the torture which was being inflicted upon his wife and 4-month-old child.
Sir,
and that's why this was moved in the lower court and he was out.
That detail doesn't matter as much as the fact that you're a lawyer. You know that 2 courts at least have heard this matter, rejected your statement.
You should now question that why did CBI not investigate this matter? The audio CD is still not been taken on record. Why don't you question CBI? CBI is a Saudi organization, as observed by Honorable Supreme Court time and again, that this is the parrot in the cage. It is always making junior most officer a scapegoat, and all senior officers, they are let go. And this is what this case is all about.
So
16 crore, trail is yet not found out. There are 3 cases. Third of the 3 cases is in the court of Mr. Gupta, Honorable Judge, and he's yet after the CBI for the Saudi investigation.
But Mr. Bharti, you are the law minister of Delhi. You are the law minister in the Arvind Kejriwal. You are the law minister in the Arvind Kejriwal government. You've been indicted by a court of tampering with evidence. Your actions being highly objectionable and unethical. Is it okay for a man who's got these observations against him by a judge?
The court refused to entertain. Where is the evidence?
Sir, that's something that you've argued before a judge. The judge has rejected it. India is not a banana republic. We go by whatever the judge says.
If Pawan is guilty, I will not defend him. Okay? If you look at the audio tape should have been followed up by the CBI and the court together. But none of them took any interest in that, unfortunately.